Well, come to the best auto trends. The 2026 Chevy Chevelle 396SS is a remarkable car that blends classic muscle with modern engineering. As soon as you hear the rumble of the engine, it's clear that this is a car built to impress. The Chevelle, a staple of American muscle, has seen a revival in 2026 with updates that make it feel as fresh as ever, for enthusiasts who appreciate both performance and aesthetics. This car strikes the perfect balance. Under the hood of the 2026 Chevelle 396SS lies the iconic 396 cubic inch V8 engine, offering a raw power that harks back to the muscle car era. With over 400 horsepower, this powerhouse is all about delivering that signature grunt you expect from a classic muscle car. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving you complete control over the driving experience. For those who prefer convenience, there's also an option for an automatic transmission, but nothing compares to the pure joy of shifting through the gears yourself. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevelle 396SS doesn't disappoint. Thanks to modern suspension and brake upgrades, this muscle car handles much better than its predecessors. The handling is tight and responsive, offering a driving experience that combines the old-school power of a muscle car with the precision of modern engineering. The upgraded disc brakes provide more stopping power, allowing you to confidently handle both the streets and the open road. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevelle is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It keeps the aggressive stance and muscle car aesthetics of the original Chevelle, but with subtle updates that enhance its overall appeal. The front grille is more angular, giving it a fierce look, while the hood scoops not only add to its performance features but also give it that classic muscle car edge. The wide, aggressive fenders are designed to fit those massive tires that grip the road with authority. Inside, the 2026 Chevelle is just as impressive. The cabin is outfitted with a combination of retro-inspired design and modern technology. The dashboard is simple and intuitive, with large, easy-to-read gauges that give you all the necessary information at a glance. The leather-trimmed seats are not only comfortable, but also designed to keep you in place as you push the car to its limits. Of course, the car is equipped with a modern infotainment system, complete with a touchscreen smartphone integration, and a premium sound system to keep you entertained on those long drives. The 2026 Chevelle 396SS is not just about looks and performance, it's about the driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on a twisty back road, this car provides an experience that's both thrilling and nostalgic. It's a car that brings back memories of the golden era of muscle cars, but with the kind of reliability and technology that modern drivers expect. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevy Chevelle 396SS is a car that successfully combines the best of both worlds: the raw power and style of classic muscle with the refinements of modern technology. For car enthusiasts, this is a dream come true, offering the kind of driving experience that makes you feel like you're in the heart of muscle car history. But with all the benefits of modern engineering, whether you're a collector, a racer, or just someone who appreciates fine cars, the 2026 Chevelle 396SS deserves a place in your garage.